Hi, this is Sherry Taylor with ATL Clinical Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about readiness to learn. Students will ask me, what does that exactly mean? Do I have to do that with every management? The answer is no, you don't have to do it with every management. You need to establish it really in the beginning of your patient care situation. Readiness to learn just simply means you want to find out, how does the patient best learn? Are they visual? Are they auditory? Do they like for you to talk to them and they just listen? Are they a hands-on person? Do they like to get handouts? Do they like to touch and feel and be involved in what's going on? If you find out what their readiness to learn is in the beginning, then you kind of know how to take off with the teaching. Every time you're told to teach, you just automatically know what to do. If a patient says, I'm more of a hands-on, then why am I going to give them a handout? They don't want a handout. You also want to make sure that it matches the patient. You know, if you go get the patient a handout, but they can't see or they can't read, you look pretty dumb giving them information. That's where the readiness to learn comes into play. Now, a lot of times on the admission assessment, they've assessed a readiness to learn, and you might be able to take a look at the admission assessment to see, but you also want to communicate with your patient to find out what's the best way, and then run with it. Take what they say and use it to your advantage when it does come time for your teaching. So do it at the onset when you're first in the room. You don't have to assess the readiness each and every time. You just go right into, okay, I need to teach you about something. You said you learned best by doing this, and run with it. So there's your tip on readiness to learn for today. Check out our website at www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.